Quick unboxing of the FancyView AI Glasses Y2. Let's take them out of the case here. Okay, that's really nice. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, so there they are. Take them out of the box. And that's exactly what they look like. Now you can take pictures and videos with this. Here are the lenses on the sides. There's the connections right there, so you would charge the glasses via the case. So if you look at the case inside, there are the contacts, and the bottom is your USB-C connection. And yeah, you have speakers on the top. And once you have the app connected to FancyView, you'll be able to ask questions and you'll be able to hear it through your sunglasses. See that? Speakers right there. And yes, you can put other glasses over it. You can put your prescription glasses over it. It'll be no problem. You can see clearly through it. And I'll have pictures and videos from this right after the demonstration. So there you go, FancyView, and I really enjoy the case. It's a nice leather case that it comes with. You just put them back in, and you'll be able to recharge them right there. FancyView.